welcome back to my channel. Excuse my nails, I'm in the process of taking them off. I got this $5 box from Walmart and I figured it will help a lot of people out that want to make their own bling box and not spend a lot of money. I was not supposed to be doing this video, but I figured, like I said, it will help someone out. So what I'm going to do is just add my own bling to this box. And this bling is super cheap. I'll try to link it down below. They are like less than $1 a pack. And if I don't link it down below, just check out my rhinestone haul from AliExpress. All the links to where you can find the bling is there. Yes, this box can be found at Walmart, and you find it in the fishing section, like where you get the tactical box. And they come with these little dividers. I had to add these in on my own so you can shape it in the inside the way that you want. I will tell you, adding the inserts is not as easy as it looks. And be mindful of where you're putting it at, because once you put it in there, it's hard to get it out. I wanted a bling box. I was looking online. They even sell them on AliExpress. But there's nothing like making something custom made to your liking. That way you can put the stones in that you want. And in my opinion, these bling boxes are going for too much money. I highly recommend, if you have time and you're not in a rush, to go on AliExpress and buy your stones in bulk. You can spend $50 and get enough stones to last you and your clients for a year. That's what I do. I pick and choose what I want to spend my money on here in the United States or wherever you live at. You do the same thing. If you want to buy acrylics from a certain brand, I would do that. But like bling, hop on over to AliExpress and buy it wholesale. So like I said, I'm just adding this in here. I am doing a bling giveaway, so you can actually win a bunch of bling to put in a box. All you have to do is go buy this box from Walmart for $5. And that giveaway is in my last video. Sorry about that noise. I'm washing my hand towels that I use on my clients. So yeah, this bling is beautiful. These are AB crystals. They are not Swarovski. But then again, just about all of my clientele love rhinestones. To be entered in the giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below on this video or my last video I posted organizing my rhinestones. All the rules are over there. You have to actually watch that video to see the rules. And you guys know I keep it simple. Ooh, that's so pretty. I keep it simple with the rules. I don't make you do a ton of different things. And I always do giveaways. I keep getting comments when the giveaway ends. It doesn't really matter when it ends. I have so much stuff that I buy in bulk to give away that I always do them. The shipping on my giveaways are killing me, and yes, it's international. All my giveaways are international. That doesn't mean that I'll always pick international. I actually don't always pick. I let the kids scroll and pick sometime. So, just to be entered, make sure you are following me on YouTube and follow me on Instagram _nailed_by_shy. But yeah, I would definitely watch that last video. This is coming out cute. Okay. Now, I know I said I didn't want a large bling box. I was scared I was going to drop it. But in a minute, I'll show you how secure this is. I'm going to possibly go back and get 2 more. I only picked up 1, even though it was cheap, just because I wanted to see if it was functional. I don't care how nice it looks. It has to be able to function for me to actually really enjoy it. It can be pretty and not function. Yeah, I like that. And I don't like to add too many stones in there at one time, because I want to be able to move the stones around. Now up here, I'm just going to take these packs that have multi stones in them, sizes, and what I'm going to do is just add each side to their own section. That way, if I need a small stone, I can just go straight to it instead of digging in the assorted pile. Yeah, now that's how it's supposed to come out. I don't know why I didn't zoom in. I'm actually going to add 2 packs each of this one, but I'm not going to keep you guys sitting here while I do that. I'm going to add that and come right back. Okay, so here is what it is looking like. I like it because it has these safety. If I drop this off my table onto the floor, it's not going to open up at all. Like, that's a lock that is secure, and this is the name of the box, Plano, Plano. You can find this in Walmart in the fishing section, and I'll show you guys what it is looking like. And you can add whatever you want to it, but I think it looks pretty good. And that way you're able to move your stones around. I recommend not putting more than like 2 or 3 packs in each slot, because if there are too many piled on top of each other, you can't assort through them to pick up the exact stone you may be looking for, or size, or whatever like that. So yeah, I like, but that's what it's looking like. I'll give you guys a close-up. 1 second. So this is the stones. Again, all of them are AB crystals that can be found on AliExpress. If I do not link them, please look at my rhinestone haul from AliExpress, my $1 rhinestone haul. Very pretty. This is basically a $10 or $15 bling box. The container was about $4 or $5, and all of these stones in here were about $10 total. So we're going to save $15. That's what we're going to call this, the $15 bling box. So as usual, thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will check you beautiful people out in my next video. Stay hydrated. It's been very hot out. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.